Guess what? I'm going camping again. Told you I would be. This is the cot. All nice and folded up. Pillows, blankets, clothes. My parents have the tent, a new tent. We'll see what that looks like when I get there. But it should be interesting. It's supposed to basically go inside of the pavilion that was in the last camping video. I think that's the same one that is going to be used as our tent. My brother and I are going to be staying in that instead of the RV. So, we'll see how that goes, and I gotta pack up and hit the road.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Guess what? The tent leaked.
It's 2:30 in the morning.
Something like that. Can you see that? Kind of leaking from the top somewhere. I don't know where. I think that's right over my bed. That's right over Gary's bed. Where's the wet spot on your bed? It's leaking over there somewhere. Yep, there's water.